Hey, this is part two. There was so much fun stuff in my package from Shaina. Uh, and I hope I'm saying your name right. That I couldn't fit it all into one video. So I got through all the extras and it just feels like Christmas and my birthday and New Year's and everything else all rolled into one here. So, but look at this hunker huge journal, and that's what we're going to go through next. And oh, hang on, there's there's more. She hid stuff everywhere. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, look at that. She is terrible. More journal making goodies. Look at all this paper. Oh, cool. Note cards. All different colors. Rolodex cards. A whole stack of them. Some guest checks. Oh, cute little butterfly papers. And some little tags. Look at that. Holy cow, she's got stuff hidden everywhere, doesn't she? So pretty, so pretty. Oh my goodness, more? Oh, cool. How cool are those? All kinds. Oh, these are awesome. Wonder where she got these. Oh, those are sweet. Very cool. Oh my gosh, look at what? Oh. Yes. Steampunk. I'm keeping these away from my husband. He'll steal them, and that's just not right. Oh, there's another one. Ha ha. These are hilariously cute. Look at that. I love these. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, she said a lot of her supplies were still in storage. I don't think so. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. A huge bag. Oh, there's still like a ton left in there too. Flower. Oh, my recording quit right when I was getting to open this. And I didn't know it quit. But I only looked at a few things here. But I just want to make sure everyone can see this super cool charm hanging off the side here. It's got my initial a couple of times. A key because I love it. I think that's one of her mommy's creations. Look at that pretty thing. Oh my gosh. And this thing, look at that. It is the chunkiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I am like not worthy of this, I tell you. There was a letter in here that I will read off camera that just talks about, there's a little personal letter, and then she talks about some of the things she used. So, but oh my goodness, I'm just like in awe and in tears here. This is just gorgeous. Look at all these neat tags. I wonder if that might be a stamp that she did on that. I don't know, but it's really cute. I'm gonna have to ask her. And I'll just try to go through some of these quickly so that I don't run, my tape doesn't run out again. And that feels really neat. Wonder what that is. She put dictionary behind it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Some more grammar. And look how she put these birds here, there, and everywhere. That is lovely. Oh, there's some more of that sewing. That might be muslin, now that I feel it. It's hard to say. It's gorgeous, whatever it is. Oh, wow. These feel like pages out of a book you might find in a library or something. Oh my gosh. Wow. I am in so much awe right now that I can't even believe it. A little mini. Look. Oh my goodness. She even put little decorations in her mini. What in the world? I'll have to get that in later. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Too cute. Oh, that's neat. Oh my gosh. Nice. Nice. There's an old, looks like Shakespeare. Gosh, look at that. Oh, I'll bet you those are those little flowers. Perfect. That's cool. Haha. Listen to that crinkle. Look at that. So pretty. Goodness gracious. She's got little bits and pieces everywhere. Wow. Man, oh man, this is just too cute. These are her safety pins. She was putting them on Facebook. Those are really cute. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, my goodness. All kinds of neat little book pages. Oh, I think her mommy made that one too. That's neat. Oh, gosh. Kind of at a loss for words here. Everything is so pretty and perfect. My gosh, my gosh. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. And what do we have here? A bell on a little binder. This is just beautiful. Those look like feathers. I wonder if that was a happy accident or what she did there, but those look like feathers in my little spring book here. My big spring book. Oh my gosh. How pretty. I am so in love with this, and I can't even stand it. Oh. There's some more cool envelopes. A medallion. Oh, and this paper is pretty back here too. Jeepers. That's way cute. Nice. These are just too darn cute. And that looks to be sewing machine paper. What's it called? Like the tissue paper, yeah. Cool birdhouses. Some old book pages. Oh, that page is really pretty. Holy cow. Oh, there's a paper clip there. That's probably why I can't get it up. Little notes. Wow. Cool. Look at that. This is just so much fun. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. That is really pretty. I know what these are now. They're tea bags. She has been sewing tea bags. Oh my gosh. What a gal. Oh, that's cool. Oh my goodness. Rawr. Some more. Nice. Oh, I can't even begin. Holy cow. Anything up here. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. That is gorgeous. Look at that cool belly band. What? What? Oops. Oh my gosh. She's just killing me with this. There's a calendar. Oh my gosh. There's some more sewing with stamping. And there's another one of those tea bags. Wish you could feel that. That's really cool. Look at that. She's crazy. Crazy insane. There's even a bird on the dictionary page for me. Some keys. That is gorgeous. And this says wish. Another one of her pins. Holy cow, look at that. There are just, there's so many details that I'm sure I'm going to go through it later and see things that I didn't see the first time. Oh, nice idea. She just sewed on the back of that so that I can write on it. Little side band. Oh, and there's some eggies in there. Oh my gosh. What in the world did she do? She does not have a YouTube or an Etsy or anything, but don't you think she should? Because this is crazy. My little butterflies. Yeah, she definitely should, because this is just crazy good. Some more sewing. I'm trying to keep it in frame here. Oh my goodness. That's cool. That's fabric. A whole bunch of little butterflies there. That's such a good idea, just sewing on the back there. And a receipt. Little butterfly. And this looks like a gardening page. Yep. Cute. She said she had lots of old books. So, goodness gracious. Look at all the pretty butterflies. Cool heart. I had to ask her how she did those. There's another tea bag envelope. That is just wicked. Ladybugs. Oh my gosh. She is insanely talented. There's another one. Oh. My birthday. Oh my gosh, that is a hoot. That is so funny. I love it, I love it, I love it. Make a wish. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Some more gardening stuff. Oh, there's one of Mom's flowers again. Herbs. That's so pretty. Some banners. Oh, I like how she did that. And there's another pin right there. Hope you can see. Oh, that's so pretty. The layering in here is phenomenal. Wow. Little pocket. Pretty green doily. Cosmos. I have some of these growing right outside my front door. One of my favorites. Wow. There's just so much stuff in here. Look at that. Little enamel button. There's some, it looks like she did some layering on this. Oops, there we go. As far as this goes, of course, obviously that's layered. That is so pretty. My goodness. Another little card. Or an envelope. That's so cute. Holy cow. This is unreal. A day without laughter is a day wasted. That's true. That's awesome. So pretty. That little flip. Wow. So pretty. Some more book pages. Little tucks here and there. Haha, cute. Cute, cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. And it has plant, plantation, plantain on the dictionary pages there. Nice syntax. Oh, I'll have to show everybody about that one. That's pretty good. Oh, gosh. This is just crazy. That's really pretty. Wow. That is a nice little card. Look at this page. Holy moly. Okay, you're going in later. That is beautiful. Cool. Nice. And that is fabric. Another one of her pins. Little banner on a paper clip. She even decorated the back. Oh my goodness. The details, I just can't even believe. Look at that. Oh, there's one of those bulb pins. It says wish. I don't even know how she found time to do this. Oh, there's one of my favorite things. Insane. So pretty. She has got everything in here. Oh, there's another little mini. Look at her. Man, oh man. Tags. This is ridiculous. Nice. That is pretty. Very cute. Hermosa. That's funny. We're going to go see my mom pretty soon. She lives by some mountains that have that name, I think. Hermosa. Everything coordinates. Everything is gorgeous. Everything is perfect. I could never get another one and be happy. My goodness. And these tea bags. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Birds. Another old book page. Looks like pruning fruit trees. Oh, that's cool. Another receipt. And A nightingale. Very cool. Nests and eggs. Oh, she's got some washi in here too. I don't know if you can see it down there. Oh my gosh. Cool. There's an old medicine and health book. That's cute. Oh, I like that. Another pretty card. Holy cow. She is awesome. I mean, look at this. Absolutely crazy good. There's a little sheet about woodpeckers. I used to have one outside my old house, and it ate the tree up, and the tree branch fell on my roof. It did. There's some owls. Oh, that's cool. Altered clip. Oh my gosh. It just keeps on going, doesn't it? Cute. Nice. Oh my goodness. That looks like to be out of a calendar or something, maybe. Oh my goodness. We're not even on the last signature yet. I wonder if she knows how many pages this is. I'll have to ask her. This is just crazy, crazy beautiful. Little crow. Oh, there's another one of her neat safety pins. That's a great idea. That's vinyl or something there. Wow. What in the world? Ah. Ugh. It's an itty bitty paper clip. Oh my gosh. All the things I love. Keys, music, and nature, of course. Oh my gosh. A little mini. What in the world? Do you believe that? Oh. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. What a fantastic idea. Wow. I don't even know where that was now. Let's see. It was back here somewhere. But oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. I think it was in here. These are really pretty. Really pretty. She put so much work into this. This is just ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It's fabric again. I'm just going to go and like sit on my couch and watch this, look through this 100 times. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. That is darling. Oh my gosh, what a great idea to do on a time card. Beautiful. Friendship. Oh my gosh. And there's some more muslin she stamped on. That's awesome. And I love how she left it all frayed. Isn't that cool? That is very cool. Gosh. There are so many details in here, you guys. Oops. Some more of my butterflies. Looks like some extra paper. Oh, and an envelope. How cool is that? Grammar. I don't even think I told her I liked grammar. It's like she knows me. Holy moly. This is just crazy. So pretty. Everything. Just details, details. I can't imagine how much work this was for her. That feels like cork. That's pretty cool. Layering. Some more herbal things. Oh, there's another one. Look at her. Man, oh man. Bulbs. Oh, that's pretty. Another little bell. I cannot believe all of the details in here. It's crazy good. That is gorgeous. I'm just in awe. That's cool. Oh, so pretty. Oh, there's another one of those envelopes. I mean, everything is just perfect in here. It's crazy. Cute. It looks like there's a texture on it, but there's not. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. These tea bags are adorable. Oh, there's a little snap. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. That's just too cute. Everywhere you look, there's just something, you know? There's some more of her sewing. She made this into a little tuck. Look at that cute little thing. Oh, made especially for you with love. I love it. This is going on the old art shelf, that's for sure. Oh, And that's her initials. Yay. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I love these. Love. Cute. That was on my list to try, so now I'm definitely going to have to. There is a key that appears to be cork as well. What in the world? Another key. Look at that. That is just insanely cute. Oh my gosh. Every time I turn a page, I just start tearing up a little bit here. Wow. I know this video is going to be like 8 hours long, but I don't care. Another receipt. Oh, that's so pretty. Backed on music. Oh. And that trim. What? It's crazy pretty. We're finally at the end, you guys. Seeds. Oh, some of my favorites. That is so cool. Oh, those are some of my absolute favorites. I have a little garden of them right outside my front door. Aww. Cute. A little walk in the garden. Oh, golly. Oh, you're killing me, Missy. This is just insanely gorgeous. I'm going to put that back in later. Oh, look at that. That is just the chunkiest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I love it. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. It's just beautiful. I don't even know what to say. It's just so pretty. Oh, thank you so much. I can't even tell you how much I love it. And if ever you need anything, golly, I hope you give me a call because, yeah, I owe you big time, buddy. I do. So thank you so much for everything. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.